the amazing spring Sinnet Paracord bracelet. I usually don't do these intros like this, but as you can see here, we have the bracelet without the buckle or the stop knot or the Mad Max style or anything like we used to. As you can see, there are firm structure and the nice pattern of this bracelet, but you can see right now why this bracelet is so unique. As you can see here, I cannot make it onto my wrist because this bracelet has no buckle, as I said, or a stop knot, and simply when we pull it, we won't change the structure of it or a pattern, maybe a bit, but you can see here by pulling it aside like so, we can regain the structure and the shape of this awesome paracord bracelet. And as you can see, it now fits perfectly to my wrist and the structure is the same, intact. So if you wanna learn how to create this awesome paracord bracelet, you can do so by following the tutorial that is right around the corner. Enjoy! And hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube Paracord community. I hope that you're all safe and sound and that you're ready for today's project. Today we're going to create the awesome paracord bracelet called the Spring Sinnet, designed by JD Lenzen from T.I.A.T all together. So go ahead and check the JD, he has some awesome paracord projects. For today's project we're going to use this rose paracord 550, the length and dimension are in the description down below of this video. So go ahead and check it out. And one more thing, if you wanna purchase or you need some paracord and the paracord equipment, jig, buckles and etc, you can find it also down below in the description of this video. You have the links where we purchase our paracord and our paracord equipment, so go ahead and check that out too. We're gonna take and left 2 inches from this side of a cord. Let me just zoom a bit so you can clearly see. And from here we're gonna take and we're gonna simply twist the paracord like so. And from here we're gonna take this end and we're gonna create the bite and we're gonna insert it through. And now we're gonna pull this side of a cord and we secure our knot, tight it well, cinch it. And now from here we're gonna simply take the end of a cord and we're gonna pull it through this loop here. Now from here you're gonna pull this side and you're gonna cinch it. And now pull it a bit. And from here simply turn this side and continue. Take the end and make it through the loop. Now pull and tight it and turn. Pull a bit and continue. So when you reach the desired length of a bracelet, as you can see here, we're going to take the end of a cord and we're going to simply make it the left on top of the right one, then the left going to go around and to the side like this, so here, and now from this end we're going to take the right one, this end here, and we're going to make it again on top of the left one, and from here we're going to take the left and insert it here into the loop like so, and then pull, tighten it well up to secure the knot, and the bracelet is finished. Now we're gonna cut off the excess of cord, melt it down, and here we are, we finished today's project. I hope that you like it. As you can see, this is the bracelet that fits well and doesn't have the buckles or Mad Max finishing or something like it with the diamond knot or any stop knot. as it is. So I hope that you like this one. If you do, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and of course, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best. Dale signing out. See ya, bye.